Hello everyone, how are you? Today we do so fast, effective and simple exercise for flabby cheeks. If you want you can subscribe and like this video. Thank you. Let's start. Thank you that you be with me today. Have a good day.